everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Discovery Bank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Discovery mobile banking application right in your Android device, first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap open your Play Store. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for Discovery Bank and make your search. In the search results displayed on the next page, you'll be able to see the application displayed at the top. Tap the install button to begin the downloading process for Discovery Bank right next to it. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your mobile device. Discovery Bank offers market-leading interest rates, revolutionized digital payments, and banking experience that makes life easier, more exciting, and rewarding. You can go ahead and manage your account online right from your mobile device wherever you are, whenever you want, check your balance, view your statements, and much more. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button right next to it in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Discovery Bank application on your Android device with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.